Southeast Asia is a region beset with undemocratic, abusive governments and regimes which regularly commit human rights violations and grave breaches of international law. Despite, or perhaps because of this, the avenues for pursuing justice in this region are extremely limited. Fortify Rights has been documenting human rights abuses and mass atrocity crimes in Southeast Asia since 2013. In the countries where we work, we have observed a decline in respect for the rule of law and the voices of survivors being ignored or worse, silenced. Unlike in Europe, Africa, and the Americas, Asia does not have a regional human rights court, and the regional human rights mechanisms that do exist are weak by design and ineffective in the face of rampant abuses, as exemplified by ASEAN's toothless response to the crimes occurring in Myanmar. Given this deficiency, survivors and groups advocating on their behalf have had to look to other regions internationally in pursuit of justice and accountability. At Fortify Rights, we've been engaging with various international accountability mechanisms, in particular relating to the crimes taking place in Myanmar. We regularly share evidence, information, and analysis with the Independent Investigative Mechanism for Myanmar, the International Criminal Court, and lawyers involved in the Rohingya genocide case at the International Court of Justice. Complementing the work of these mechanisms, in January 2023, Fortify Rights and 16 individuals from Myanmar filed a criminal complaint in Germany under the principle of universal jurisdiction, requesting the German federal prosecutor to initiate a structural investigation into genocide, crimes against humanity, and war crimes being committed by the Myanmar military junta and its supporters. A significant challenge when pursuing justice for crimes committed by abusive regimes is the safety and well-being of survivors, who often come from marginalized and vulnerable communities. The participation of these individuals in justice mechanisms can place them at heightened risk of reprisals from both state and non-state actors. Despite these risks, many human rights defenders from Southeast Asia are committed to seeking justice and accountability, and Fortify Rights is proud to support them in their journey. What we would like to see from the upcoming Mutual Legal Assistance Treaty discussions is a strong commitment from states to protect survivors of international crimes and the individuals and groups that advocate on their behalf. Impunity is on the rise globally and threatens fundamental rights everywhere. This is keenly felt in Southeast Asia. We hope that the MLA Treaty will help address the scourge of impunity and strengthen international accountability for the gravest violations of international law. Thank you.